there everyone, welcome to Edify Beauty. With all this free time that we've been having, I decided that I was going to go get some magazines because I don't know what's going on at your house right now, but when everybody is streaming at my house, internet gets real slow. So when I ventured out to the grocery store, I also stocked up on some different hair magazines, or just magazines in general, and I was going to look at the hair articles. So I've been reading through them, some good information, there's a lot of articles, or a lot of magazines that are missing hair articles, which I thought was interesting. But a couple articles that I was reading that I thought we could mention and give you guys some good insight or advice to was the knot is obviously for brides and weddings, and one of the articles that they were talking about was OLAPLEX and how you can go into the salon to get an OLAPLEX treatment before you go in for your wedding. Sorry, the week before your wedding. And then you can also do their at-home treatment. But something that I wanted to mention here was OLAPLEX was the go-to prep product that I used to have my brides use. But the visual difference with how has been amazing. So I've got a lot of my brides that are using a vitamin treatment mask that basically does the same kind of reparative, but it's going to give you shine and volume and body in addition to the reparative treatment. So just something for you to check out there. And then Girls Life magazine, I was reading through, well, we're building a quiz for our website. So I was trying to figure out what are some interesting like quiz formulas. And so they had some quizzes in the back of this, which is why I picked it up. But in their beauty awards section, the beauty awards section, is Sun-In. I didn't even know that people were still promoting this or that people were still using this. That's not true. I have teenagers that have come in with orange hair because of Sun-In, and I was shocked that they could still get it or that people even still talked about it. But then I'm seeing that it's in magazines. Sun-In basically bleaches your hair, and so people are buying it because they want to be blonde and they want to just spray this spray in your hair, and then they think that they're going to come out this beautiful platinum blonde. But generally you come out looking like a pumpkin. And the reason why that happens is because it's lightening your natural hair pigment, but that as it's lightening, it's exposing your underlying pigments. So everybody in their hair strand has yellow molecules. Some people have red molecules and some people have blue molecules. And all the red, yellow, and blue mixed together gives you what your natural hair color is. When we bleach it out in the sun, it's taking off that top layer and rearranging those color pigments in your hair. So it's bringing those yellow and red tones up to the surface, which is why unless you're already starting with light blonde hair to begin with, when you use Sun-In, you're going to lift your hair up to about an orange, but there's no color or anything to help counteract those tones and give you that pretty blonde color that you're looking for. So if you're not already a light blonde, Sun-In's not gonna do it for you. And I just wanted to let you know so that you don't, wind up with a crisis on your hands. So unfortunately, this is just one of those times that it's best if you can go get a professional to do your service for you. They can make sure that you're not going to turn orange, they can make sure that you're not going to turn bright yellow, and that you actually get the style and the hair that you're wanting. You can get highlights, you can get all over color, whatever, but this is a time to call in some professional help. So if you have any questions about this, if you have any comments, please post them down in the subject line below. If you like this channel, please subscribe, and I hope you guys are having a beautiful day.